Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a new vulnerability called command injection. At first, what is command injection? A command injection vulnerability occurs when an attacker can execute arbitrary commands on a host operating system via a vulnerable application. This typically happens when the application passes unsafe user-supplied data, such as form inputs, to a system shell. Don't worry, I will explain it. See here, it is an application of DVWA to ping to any machine. Only thing I need to enter is an IP address. This application is only designed for entering IP address and to ping to any machine. But if command injection exists in this application, we will be able to input any command, but this command will execute in our host OS. Here I have input a Linux command to list the files and directories in the OS. Because of command injection vulnerability exists, the command got executed in the host OS, and it is displaying the files in the machine. Let's see the path where the injection attack has been affected. This is a path where DVWA application is hosted. Now let's try creating a directory in this location. I am naming the directory as A Vision. We can see the directory has been created. Now let's check the path and confirm the files are being created in the host OS. You can see exactly like we have performed in the application. We created the directory in the host OS at the exact path where it was mentioned. Now I will show the same vulnerability in medium level. The difference between low level and medium level is, in low level there was no security measures were implemented. But in medium level there is a minimum level of security is implemented. Before exploiting this vulnerability again, we will analyze the security code they have implemented. If you look carefully, we can see there's a code substituting the N symbol and semiconductor with a space. Before we enter the Linux command, we use semicolon. So the developer believe by eliminating these chants they can avoid command injection. But the fact is they are only eliminating two symbols. We can try another symbols before inputting the command. We can write pipe symbol before the Linux commands. Here we will try with the old command injection method. And we can see it is not working now. And when I try the pipe symbol, the command got executed. So do not believe that this command injection vulnerability exists everywhere. It will occur only when there is no proper sanitization of the input. In next video we will discuss about another vulnerabilities.